In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your latest project, sharing tutorials, or embedding a video to enhance your site's content, adding a YouTube video is a great way to engage your visitors. Wix makes this process straightforward and user-friendly, so you don't need to worry about coding or technical hurdles. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a YouTube video to your site in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to your Wix Dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your sites. So if you have multiple websites under your account, you'll need to select the one you want to edit. Simply click on the website you're working on, and this will take you straight into the Wix site editor. Once you're in the site editor, take a look at the vertical menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your site. Locate the plus icon, which is also known as the Add button, and click on it. This opens up a variety of options for adding new elements to your site. Now, hover over the option labeled Embed. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, showing you different ways to integrate external content into your site. From this menu, click on Single Video Players. This option is specifically designed for embedding videos. You'll see a few different video player options here, but for this tutorial, click on the YouTube logo. This will add a YouTube video element directly to your site. At this point, you'll see a placeholder video appear on your page. Don't worry, this is just temporary, and we'll replace it with your chosen video in the next steps. To replace the placeholder video, click on the YouTube element you just added. A settings menu will appear, and you'll see an option labeled Change Video. Click on that. Now, you'll need to grab the link for the YouTube video you want to embed. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to YouTube. Find the video you want to add to your Wix site, and once you're on the videos page, copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Switch back to your Wix editor, and in the Change Video settings, paste the YouTube URL into the input field provided. Take a moment here to double-check the URL and make sure it's accurate. If the link is incorrect or incomplete, the video won't embed properly. So it's always a good idea to verify it before moving on. Once you've confirmed the URL is correct, save your changes and close any open dialog boxes. Now take a look at your Wix page to ensure the YouTube video has been successfully embedded. You should see your chosen video displayed right there on the page, ready to play. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video on your Wix site. By following these steps, you can easily add engaging video content to your website and create a more dynamic experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.